We'll guide you through how to get Blender free download. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Blender website at blender.org. Once you're there, you'll see a big friendly button that says Download Blender. Click on it, and it will take you to the download page. Here, you'll see options for different operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. Choose the one that matches your computer's operating system. For instance, if you're on Windows, click on the Windows icon. The download should start automatically. If it doesn't, you might need to click on the link that says Click here if it doesn't start. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the Blender setup file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve clicking Next a few times, choosing your installation preferences, and finally clicking Install. The setup will do its thing, and it might take a few minutes, so be patient. After the installation is complete, you can find Blender in your list of applications and open it to start creating. Remember, Blender is a powerful open-source 3D creation suite, so it's packed with features. You might want to check out some tutorials to get the most out of it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.